my brother them, my sister them, for any Wusa one a day. We'll get leader them where they don't kidnap them. They don't take them come up for play with them day right now. When a corporation where they go on between Abuja and the Tudi. And this matter where this one a dangerous matter, as we talk so. Even the people who they call themselves say they be cabinet member, they don't know the true story. They don't know a goddamn thing. This is why I was talking about this PhD shit. A lot of this PhD shit with that street smart. They give you guys wrong information what really happen. They don't already come up for play with them. They don't give them. Wanna hear me? And the person where give them, we don't catch them. We know that person where give them. He not even wait 3 days before he buy a house. Cash. Money come out for right for it to the pass for Boya. Go for DSS. He carry the money. We don't get them. The number and the figure. Now we not go decide how we not go crucify this motherfucker. We not go do am nothing. Now we not Ambazonians, we not go decide what we wanna do with this. We not own brother way don't do this thing. Everybody one that is suspect. What I don't see on social media. One I don't call the name. They are the wrong people. Every single person that his name has been brought up on the social media, that they are responsible for any type of conspiracy. From the day when the thing happened, it's not them. This person has given information, even right to little forums, that every single Ambazonian is inside. They don't hand everything. We go release this person. But we'll get for decide. Because the IG, that stupid PhD, they don't even know who he be. We'll go talk for them first. And they will let us know if we release them for Ambazonians, may Ambazonian population take care, or may we take care, or the sister IG, if they want to continue without their intellectual blindness, let them continue with that motherfucking intellectual blindness. You take all cabinet, you put a book for front. Now what this? Revolution is not a leadership pageantry. This one will be pageantry for leadership. This one you get for be street smart. Street smart. You not hear me? This motherfucker, them they take PhD, put up for front like say, we're gonna beauty pageant for education. Now what this? And to do not know PhD. That come and buru, the way they don't hand them for them. It's a Abuja where they don't take them go. They don't know PhD. They don't care about PhD. When you hear me? This one is street smart. If you not for it's a poto, no enter for fight. If you want to be an IG interim president, if you want to be a secretary of commerce, if you want to be a secretary of Weti, keep that motherfucking PhD on the floor. This is war. You come and be lying to our people, from Chris Anu to all these people. They don't do this. They don't do that. It's all wrong information. Wrong. I don't tire Amazonians. We want to fight war. We not even get money for fight war. We want to go fight war. Action. Action on ground zero. Action on ground zero. Una mami pima. Action on ground zero. Una mami pima. Action. 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 What fucking action? You get money? They don't take IG 419 2 times. Una even know? Una know so they don't take the 419 2 times? With the money wanna the game? Una even know? Motherfucking Ambazonians, you people are stupid to the core. Writing all kind of nonsense on Facebook. They took the 419. I will bring all those documents twice. And how they will be for meeting? Who said the General XXSD? Where was the security on the door to question the DSS that show me your particulars? If you there for inside any country, the one can arrest una. When I get security, nobody will ask ID for the people who they can arrest them. They'll say, oh yeah, it's FBI. Yes, it's DSS. There was nobody on the door. Nothing on there. That is why now we on Judas SSF and say the time, exact time. The people that will be for the place will know the person and we're gonna release it and we don't get them. We know them. The man himself is down. The main man himself is down as I speak to you right now. This is football. Total nonsense. Total nonsense. They come in the on Facebook, be talking big English. Big English. Oh, you know, Chris Anwar, other. Man, these motherfuckers, man. Our brothers are being caught. We don't even know what's gonna happen to them. We can't talk big English. We don't even know what you high pass. You don't even know how it pass. Ambazonians, open your motherfucking eyes. They have taken your fucking interim government 419 twice. That is why I keep quiet. Twice. With your own money. The people who can fight this fight, they are not the people with the PhD. Let me tell you all motherfuckers, if you don't understand. This is war. It's not leadership pageantry. When you hear me? When I open our eyes, when I not gonna get this independence. When I not gonna get this independence the way we to go. With all this absolute stupidity. Man, they write something for Facebook and they want to give una hints when I answer a different thing because of tribal loyalty or political loyalty or not there for all this side. This thing is street smart. All these people that they go around, they parade around for conference and suits and thinking that this is, we're gonna talk nice, we're gonna do this nice, we're gonna be distance ourselves from our violence, General XXX. Man, when I'm Mami Pima, when I want to go fight when I talk nice, when I think la Republic they for talk nice for una, eh? Now so when I think that this thing is a fucking joke, when the whole world has abandoned us. It's an international conspiracy to keep us as slaves in perpetuity because of natural resources. Then you want to go and talk nice? I give you people 6 months to get it together. If you guys cannot get this thing together, I will prefer a Paul Kagame style or Jerry Rawlings style to steamroll into Amazonia, take over the territory. I don't care even a Hitler now may take Amazonia. Even there's an Amazonian Hitler, take it. Even if it's a dictator, take it. Fuck this one, democracy when I want to make democracy when I work at the back. Begging for money. The people who can fight the fight, they are on the ground. There is practical application right now. It's not about take a PhD, come out for war. You can put 1,000 PhD people. La Republique will never be scared of you guys. Never. This is true. It's war. I don't care if people don't like me. I don't care if people don't like me. The reason why I'm saying this is because you guys have, it's time that you guys open your eyes. You guys have to open your eyes and see the truth for what it is. I understand that Amazonians have never been in this type of situation in their life. This is the first time. We are mounting pressure. But we have to understand that when we are mounting that pressure, we should not be nice when we are mounting that pressure. We should hold our leaders accountable also to take advice from the population. That is the truth. It doesn't matter how it is. The most important thing is the main person who betrayed them, we got him. We got him. So at this point in time, how do we move forward? I'm going to sit back and I'm going to wait. There is, all of us have to be right now at a point where we have to hold the leadership accountable because it's a very dangerous situation right now. Very dangerous because people are fighting they want to fight some type of war by begging for money from women's handbag. $20 a year. They come to this 26,000 and they are happy. Happy for what? We need millions of dollars to win this war. Millions of dollars. Proposals are there that have been given. The disrespect of proposals, the what I've realized is, if I dare for fight this fight, a commander for Maui not get PhD, right? A go for interim government or for the high level, they need to take us serious. When I hear me, I'm witness to this. If the way, the idea and the method to go about fighting this guerrilla and ground war, it come from somebody who is not somebody they think that has intellectual capacity like them. They don't take it serious. You know why? It's because they think that when they pack and load their government with PhDs, that is when the government is credible. It's a lie. Because right now, there is no government. Right now, we are at war. It's a revolution. And revolution is cut and dry. The current president of Zimbabwe, Mnangagwa, does he have a PhD? He did not even finish secondary school. The president of Zimbabwe right now did not finish secondary school. But he was a guerrilla fighter. He was a guerrilla fighter. That is what it is. So we have to be very careful how we are dealing with this struggle. Anybody who is willing to put themselves and take the first bullet should be the one that we should push forward to fight for us. Anybody who is willing to take the first bullet for Ambazonians should be the one that we should be pushing to fight for us, because that's how people like Mnangagwa of Zimbabwe is. That's what they did. Even Madiba was sabotaging power lines in South Africa. They want to move around here, be making president, this secretary of that, secretary of this, and making international GoFundMes and all kind of bullshit. When we have minerals there, proposals are on the table to extract those minerals and finance our revolution. The money that we need to finance this revolution is not in the diaspora. It's inside Ambazonia. And until we find a way to get that money from inside Ambazonia, we will remain colonized. Let me tell you people right now. Until we find a way to get the resources that is under our feet in Ambaland, we will be a colonized people for the next 50 or 100 years. Let me tell you all this, because the diaspora has proven that they don't have the financial capacity to finance this struggle. Point blank. They cannot. They don't even have the money. Now, Bombay will go for America and Europe before they can fight war. When you go shoot 2 bullets, you come back, you say, oh, when I send 500, the game will go buy some more stone. Motherfuckers. I don't go me. When I take them, will leave them. The only thing I want to do is say, more cash the my way, do this one way, where the main spy, we don't get it. And when I, you know what? When I bye-bye, when I fight, when I war, I go come my own style where I know how to do them. Because right now, when I too much without when I PhD thing, more when I go kill when I self with them. They don't catch all will lead at them because of that nonsense. Where they not be street smart now, moon and go and bed them. We document for war. Where they take and for go make bureaucracy. You need to make bureaucracy for war. Bye-bye.